So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make text-to-speech effect in Microsoft clipchamp app. And most amazing feature of this application is that you can convert your text-to-speech in 100 plus languages. And also there are the male and female voices. And yes, it is a new feature which is available in Windows 11, and also you can download it in your other PC. I will provide link in the description box, so do check it out. So let's dive into the video. Okay, so this is the interface which you will get after opening your clipchamp app. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to create a new video. Okay, after selecting this, just you have to go here and you have to click on record and create. And after going in record and create, you will get the option text to speech. Basically it is a video editor, but you can make your text to speech in this application. So already I have copied one paragraph. I will paste it here, and here you can select the languages. There are many languages, there are 100 plus languages, and it is completely free, guys. So I will select English, United States, and here you can choose any voice whichever you want, and here you can choose your voice. Okay, they are the beautiful voices you can go through once you download it in your PC. So I will choose, for now I will choose Tony. Okay, and also guys, you can choose the voice style whichever you want to choose. Okay, angry, cheerful. For now I will choose hopeful. Okay, it seems good to me. I don't know yours. You can download it and check. Okay, you can also adjust speech speed, slow, regular, fast. I will keep it as a default. Okay, and also you can choose voice pitch, that is extra low, low, medium, high, extra high, default. For now I will choose the default only. Okay, so let's play it.
Nature is incredibly beautiful and diverse. It includes everything around us, like mountains, forests, rivers, and animals. Nature provides us with peace, happiness, and a chance to relax. It reminds us to slow down and appreciate the simple things in life. We should take care of nature and protect it because it's a precious gift that sustains us and teaches us important lessons.
Okay, so here our text to speech is ready. So just we have to click on save to media. Now it is getting prepared here. So now what you have to do is you have to just drag and drop here in this timeline. Okay, if you want to edit your video in this clipchamp app, you are good to go. So I will show you how to edit a video. What you have to do is you have to import media. So if I play now, isn't it beautiful?
It includes everything around us, like mountains.
And here also you can change the speed of the video if you want. See here there is a speed, so I will do little bit here. This is how you can adjust your video, okay, as per your needs. If you want to add text, you can add text through here. Okay, once you download, you will get everything because it is user friendly. Okay, basically, so you can drag and drop just text which however you want. Okay, it is getting load right now, and even there are music, stock videos, stock images are there, graphics are there. Okay, so if you are finding the text to speech application as well as a video application, then this is a amazing application. You all must try it. Okay, so here you can add your text. We'll just in here you can choose any kind of font which you want. Bold, normal, anything. You can adjust it. And at last what you have to do is you have to just export it. Okay, it will get export in the form of MP4. here there is a quality 480, 720, 1080. Okay, so these are the options available for your video quality. You can choose any. And guys, if you want the next video to be on the free footages, the websites where you can download the free footages and use in your YouTube videos, then give a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.